DANI Dyer's boyfriend Jarrod Bowen has splashed out over £10,000 on an engagement ring for her as he prepares to pop the question. West Ham striker Jarrod, 25, is planning to ask Love Island champ DANI, also 25, to marry him at the end of the football season. 3. Jarrod has already picked out a ring for DANI. Credit, Instagram. 3. DANI is mum to one-year-old son Santi from a previous relationship. Now the son can reveal he has already picked the ring he'll give to DANI. A source said, Jarrod has known for a long time that DANI is the one. He picked out a ring a while back and it cost him over £10,000. Jarrod used a jeweler as he knows DANI is a fan of and is confident she'll love the ring. It comes after we told how DANI stat and lifelong Hammers fan DANI is over the moon at the prospect of Jarrod becoming part of the family. Another insider added, the pair have lots planned for the summer, but DANI doesn't know about one very special thing he has in mind. They are so loved up and everyone in the family is a big fan of Jarrod, particularly Dad DANI. Jarrod and DANI are really close and he's already asked him if he can marry her. DANI, mum to one-year-old son Santiago, who she shares with ex-boyfriend Sammy Kimmins, confirmed her relationship with Jarrod during an interview with The Sun in October last year. She said at the time, "My dad thinks Jarrod's a lovely guy. He's invested in all of the West Ham players, because he supports the team and follows some of them. He's like, they're all my friends." I'm like, right, okay, Dad. The EastEnders actor, 44, joked on their Sorted with the Dyers podcast earlier this year that he is more in love with Jarrod than his daughter is. Speaking about Valentine's Day, the proud dad admitted he was extremely pleased to see her in love with the footballer. "You are alluding to the fact that you're in love at the moment?" DANI began. "I know you get very shy around this and maybe one day we will discuss it properly. It's interesting I'm probably more in love with your boyfriend than you are." He added, "West Ham are my one true love. I think I love West Ham more than anything else on this planet." 3. DANI's dad DANI is a big fan of Jarrod. Credit, Instagram.